How to change Google Voice Assistant. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Pivan Besnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can change your Google Voice or your Google Assistant voice. Well, the process itself is pretty simple. What you want to do is you want to go ahead and open up your Google Home app. Then you want to tap on the profile icon at the top right corner and head into settings. So if you scroll down below here once on settings, and here first you want to head into settings, and then you want to head into the option Google Assistant, and now here on the popular settings you want to scroll down, and under all settings you should be able to find the option Assistant Voice and Sound. So you want to tap on it. Now from
here are the voices you can pick for your Google Assistant. If you like this voice and want me to keep using it, just stop here.
So as you can see, it'll give you a list of voices here that's available, so you can choose from it.
Here are the voices you can pick for your Google Assistant.
So this is the way that you can change your Google Voice or Google Assistant voice. So hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.